Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Yeah. How are you?
Yeah, I am excellent, sir. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. Where are you from?
Yeah, I am from Maharashtra.
Okay. I'm from West Bengal.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah. All right. So before starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves. First of all, please say something about you.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Because before starting conversation, introduction is very important for our viewers and subscribers. So now I am going to uh, talk about my introduction. So my name is Sachin, and I am from Maharashtra, from Pune. I am married person. I am farmer son. I have two children. They are going to same schools. My one daughter, one sons. My my son studying seventh standard, and my daughter studying ninth standard. So that's it. Little about me.
Okay. It is wonderful introduction from your side. And may I introduce myself?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, okay. First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal. And by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. In this
Yeah.
time, my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. This is my goal. That's why I am using this platform. On the other hand, I run one YouTube channel which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It's my short introduction.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. A nice introduction. So, are you from West Bengal? Is it right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. How long have you been learning this language?
Yeah, I have been learning this language more than 1 year. Yeah, maybe around 1 year or 6 months.
Oh, 1 year. Yeah, nice
Yeah,
consistency. Because 1 year's uh, keep to kept consistency is very hard.
yes. And you? How long have you been learning this language?
It's 6 month, around 6 month. Actually, I don't remember it, but I think it's a 6 month complete.
Okay, okay. Why are you learning this language? And why did you think you have to learn this language? What is the reason behind it?
Because everyone know this language, and this is a global language, international language, and so many countries use this language. So if I suppose if you go to abroad, so its language will help to you. Its language connect with you abroad peoples, states peoples, so many countries. So that's why I'm learning this language. And nowadays this language is very important because so many exam in this language. And this is not just language, this is a mm, uh, communication skill. And actually English language is I am not just learning this language. I am enjoying this language, sir.
Yes, yes, okay. Yeah, yeah. English is an international language as well as the communication language to communicate each other, to communicate other country of people. English is necessary. And you are from Maharashtra right now, so you will be a you are a farmer. Do you have any plan to go abroad?
Oh my God! No, 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 no. It's
Okay,
I
okay,
can't go abroad because I'm not a rich. But when will become rich, so that times I will definitely go to America and Nepal. Yeah.
okay, okay. You are from Maharashtra, and have you ever visited any another state in our country apart from Maharashtra?
Uh, Not abroad, but I visited Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Karnataka and
And
Goa.
Goa.
Yeah.
And you right now, so you are speaking English, and when you went there in Karnataka, at that time, did you face any issue for communication?
No issue because there's people speak English very well. So I don't know Karnataka language, but that times I spoke there's people's English. So that's why English is very important, I think.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
And a few minutes ago, you have told me you have a two children, and do you speak with your children in English at your house?
Yeah, it's actually my daughters speak English with me. They know English. Uh, Her English is very well. Yeah, so sometimes in my free times, I speak with my daughter.
Okay, okay. And do they go to English medium school?
No, no. They are going to Marathi mediums because do you know my Maharashtra and my tongue language is Marathi. But yeah, English is not her language. Everyone can speak English, sir.
Yes, yes. Yeah, if you want to learn this language, yeah, there is no problem. Yeah, nowadays social media is available, and
Yeah,
everyone has a smartphone. If you have a smartphone, and if you
yeah,
want to be a good English speaker, you can learn this language. And I have been learning this language more than 1 year. I know very well because I did not join any coaching center. I did not go anywhere. Always staying at my home and using my smartphone. I am learning this language. Yeah. First of all, always you have to think you will you learn this language or not. If you want to learn this language, yeah, always you have to practice regular basis. And nowadays social media is available. There is no problem. There are so many applications. ChatGPT is available.
yeah. ChatGTP is a powerful applications because nowadays everyone's use ChatGTP applications because ChatGTP is helpful to beginners, advanced, and intermediate level students. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And sir, how much time do you practice every single day nowadays?
Actually, I can't manage times. I am farmers and I am also diver. So if I get a free time, so that times I do practice.
Okay,
Not
okay. And
means perfect time. No.
sir, you are a farmer, and when do you get up? I mean, do you get up early in the morning?
Yeah. Yes. I am get up early in the morning 4 o'clock.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know very well. Farmers are always hardworking person. They always get up early in the morning because I belong to village area. In my locality, yeah, I know very well. And most of the farmers they get up early in the morning around 4 or 4:30 a.m.
Okay. So I heard one sentence. You are from West Bengal. I heard one sentence. আমি তোমে ভালোবাসো.
Yeah, আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. I love you.
Oh, thank you. Actually, I am forget. So that's
Yes,
why
yes.
I.
আমি তোমাকে আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. I love you.
আমি তোমাকে
Okay.
ভালোবাসো. Yeah, is it right?
ভালোবাসি. Yeah, is it right?
Thank you, sir.
How many languages do you know?
Yeah, I know three language. Actually, I know four language. Hindi, I know Hindi, Marathi, English, and Tamil. Means
Tamil.
Tamil. Yeah, little bit Tamil, not more,
Okay.
and a little bit English because I am learning English. What do you do? I'm forgot, sir.
Yeah, I have already told you. By professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant.
Oh, you're working as in a hospital.
Yes.
Yeah,
But
but
before joining the hospital, I used to teach at my home as a private tutor in mathematics subject. I always like teaching. Yeah, I always like teaching.
Oh, nice, nice,
But
nice.
nowadays I don't teach. Nowadays I don't teach because I don't get free time. Uh, I
Yeah.
work in a hospital. That's why I have to do shifting duty, morning, evening, night. There is no any fixed time. Yeah, and being a family member, I have a lot of work in my family. I am learning the language as well as also I am running my one YouTube channel. Yeah, that's why
Oh,
I don't get free time.
you are YouTuber, sir.
Yeah, yeah, I have one YouTube channel. I have already told you.
Yeah, yes, yes. So that's why you sent me link. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And what kind of video you upload on your YouTube channel?
Mostly I upload this kind of conversational video as well as also vlog video whenever when I go to the field area. It is not a far away from my house. It is near my house. When I go to the field area, at that time I always make the vlog video. Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice. So, I think it's a nice I think it was a nice conversation with you, sir.
Yes, yes. And sir, in you are from Maharashtra and right now so you are a farmer, but what kind of crops are going over there in your state?
What do you say? Please repeat it. I
Wh-
can't hear
What
you.
kind what kind of crops, what kind of vegetables are going over there in your field area?
Yeah, it's depend on season, sir. Suppose this is a summer season, so I will crop. It is a rainy season, so I will take grain sugar.
Okay.
And
Sir, in our
suppose
locality, yes, in
hello.
our locality, in my locality, ladies finger, yeah, ladies finger, as well as also jute, yeah, this kind of crops
Yeah,
are going.
yes. Sometimes I take so many crops: bangle, lady's finger, tomato, potato. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And sir, I'd like to ask another question to you. And how is the weather over there? The summer season is going on.
Yeah, actually, it's summer season is going on, but it's a rainy season start. But yet, rain is not coming here. So actually, I am waiting for to rain, and
Okay.
so I am really waiting to rain because rain is important. So suppose rain is not coming. So how can I means how can
How can you cultivate the paddy? Yeah.
yeah, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that's which rain is
Yeah,
with rain
yes,
without
yeah,
nothing
yeah.
without
For cultivating the paddy, rainy season is very important. Yeah, in the rainy season, yeah, the paddy is cultivated.
yes, yes. And so how is their weather?
The weather is too hot. Yeah, the summer season is going on, but last few days it is not too hot because 2 days ago it was raining. Yeah, and it rained heavily. That's why the weather is right now very comfortable. It is not too hot, but it is hot.
Yeah, so rain started there.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And sir, you are from Maharashtra, and as far as I know, and the bora pav is the famous food in your state.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Do you?
I people love much vada pav. Here
Okay.
is famous food vada pav. Everyone likes vada pav.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like bora pav?
Yes, almost in week I eat 2 time 3 time.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So do you
Yeah,
like vada pav?
no, I have never eaten bora pav. Yeah, because I did not go to the Maharashtra, and that's why so I didn't take the bora pav. But in West Bengal, in Kolkata, Rasgulla Sandesh is famous. Yeah, it is famous in our
Yeah.
state.
Yes,
Rasgulla
yes.
Sandesh.
Yeah, I know. I know. Rasgulla famous in Bengal.
Yeah, yeah.
So suppose if you get a chance to come India, so you skip this chance or not?
Yeah, definitely. I want to go. I want to go another state in our country. Mainly I like Himachal Pradesh and Kerala, Tamil Nadu. I always like, and as well as also I like Mumbai.
Mumbai, yeah,
Yeah,
Mumbai is powerful and a beautiful city in India.
yes,
Actually, you can say Mumbai means India's nose.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, Shantanu, sir, so if you ask any question, so you ask me.
Yes, I am asking to you, and right now also you are speaking English very well. There's no doubt. And sir, before speaking English, did you join any coaching center? Did you go anywhere for learning the language?
No, sir, I not join any coaching center. I not going any class because I believe in myself. Suppose I will suppose uh, I I will go to coaching centers. So it's will be improve my English. No,
Okay,
sir.
no, no,
Answer is
no,
no, sir.
no.
Because if you suppose if you go coaching centers and if you don't self study, so how can you speak English? Because
Yes,
this is very important, and I can do it in myself in alone in my house. I do it practice every day. So
yes,
without
yes,
practice, you can't anything. So I
yes,
suggestion I suggest I suggest to people who want to really speak English. So please don't go coaching class, don't go any classes because English is just a language. English is not a subject.
yes.
Yeah.
You're right.
If you want to
Yeah,
learn English, so you should speak English every day. So automatically you speak English.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Some
You're
people
saying right.
I notice that some people go to coaching classes and they know speaker they know speak, so actually they spend time and spend money.
Yes, yes, you are right. Yeah, in my locality, I observed that there are so many students, they joined in a coaching center, and after joining the coaching center, they provide the high money. I mean, 10,000 or 20,000 for 3 months. But
Yeah.
after completing the 3 months, I observed that, I noticed that they only speak the daily routine. Yeah, they don't speak properly. Yeah, but what is the reason? I observed that in the coaching center, they always teach few grammatical structure. Yeah, only few grammatical structure. Most important, always you have to open your mouth and always you have to speak. Speaking is the most important thing. Listening and speaking. Always you have to listen and always you have to speak. Because always you have to think how did you learn your native language? Always by listening and by speaking. That's why listening and speaking both are very important for speaking English.
Yes, yes, I am totally agree with you, sir.
Yes, yes. All right, sir. Thank you. It was a wonderful conversation with you. Thank you for giving your valuable time. And after connecting with you, I have learned so many things. And definitely in future, I will connect with you again. Yeah. All right, sir. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Oh, bye bye, nice to meet you, and definitely it was a very good conversation with you, and I am so happy you connect with me, and thank you for this opportunity. So nice to meet you, and we will meet again. See you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.